What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at SMCI stock. Guys, so this thing has been going up today and just as how I was expecting this thing to do today. I'll provide you a bit of background, but if you can check this video out of mine yesterday that I did SMCI stock short again or wait. If you have checked it out already, that's great. But if you can check this out, that will help you to understand a lot more in this video that I'll be talking about. So I was discussing that I would want to open another short play below 50 days moving average. And however, I wanted to wait because the price action was still confirming to me that some upside is about to come because the structure was breaking to the upside. In this video, we'll talk about all of that. So I also want to let you know, none of this is any financial advice. This is only for education or research purposes. And I'm here only providing just my opinion under education and research purposes. And you are solely responsible for your own financial decisions and outcomes. None of my content is for any financial context. It's not. It's only for educational content. Okay. So now with SMCI, I have taken these 6 plays so far, and out of 6, first one full profitable, second one also full profitable, third one ran into stop loss, fourth one 50% profitable, fifth one a lot profitable, a biggest move I have taken on SMCI, $300 move, and then the sixth one was also full profitable. Now, this was the area that I was watching. And so what led me to wait to short again? And is it a short now or is it going to continue higher up from here? So for that, we do have to go to the hourly interval and let's talk about a couple of things there. So what I was talking about yesterday is this candle, the way it opened yesterday, this big green buying candle that came, it broke the structure at 894 to the upside and started holding above that. For me, this was already a break of structure from the downside, and I was expecting this pop back to the upside level by level, and there is still room for it to continue higher actually to $972 level. So this is the rebound zone, right? And this has been working out just like that. It today found the support at the same area, same place, was pulling back, but then went up, then started finding support at our next level. You can see that's why level trading is so important. Again, the tools are in the description below of this video. It's all the tools that I have 2 trading bots, 2 indicators, and Wall Street alerts, and all the links are in the description below. While we are talking about it, I want to also show you this my day trading bot on SMCI, and this has been today also great move it did today. You can see the data on the left side here. And again, as I said, these tools are only for education and reference purposes. I use them as reference purposes. And yeah, that's the last 30 trades of data. So looking great. Even when SMCI has been going down, the bot has been picking up really good positions. This move was exciting. Look at this one. SMCI was cracking and falling, right? And we got good averaging buying position here and came out still net profitable. So that was awesome. All the moves have been working out great. As I said, this is the last 30 trades of data, net profitability. So all in all, great. So coming back to the hourly interval, yes, we are in an uptrend right now on intraday level. I won't say that we are fully bullish again because we are still underneath this trend line that is coming in from all these previous pivot points here. So the trend line is coming from 1 pivot, 2 pivot, 3, 4, 5. So and I have taken around these pivots so many short plays, right? So and this long that is coming, yes, intraday it has been coming, and that's what I have been saying today also, as I said in my video yesterday, that I do expect it to crawl its way up slowly and slowly. It is doing that. In terms of technicals, it is still bullish. It has formed these pivots as well, guys, on intraday. Okay, so it is not bearish. It is still intraday looking bullish. You can also use this trend line to follow this to the upside. However, at the same time as this trend line is being used, this has also to be used as a break of structure. So for me, it will be a breakout structure starting to happen to the downside again. If it cracks below tomorrow 924, even though I won't say, hey, it's fully bearish, because this move can chop around here a little bit before losing steam again. If it has to become fully bearish tomorrow, well, Friday is the day, it has to lose 20 and 50 both, just because where the price action is. But scalp short, possibly, those could be taken. I'll show some more levels on 5 minutes as well in just a second. But yeah, right now it's technically fully in an uptrend, higher high, higher lows on the intraday spectrum. And it has a room to continue tomorrow, maybe to test this overhead resistance of this trend line, and also maybe 200 hours moving average. That's a very possibility. So $977 is a possibility on SMCI tomorrow, provided it continue this uptrend and doesn't lose this level of 925. All right, so that's very important to do on SMCI. Other than that, guys, on daily interval, that would also bring us to just test this 20 days moving average, just very close to 977. So this is still a very valid move in this already ongoing downtrend, which is head and shoulder. But this is the rebound that is coming as intraday long plays. Okay, so if that makes sense. Okay, now where will my sentiment start shifting for SMCI that it's going to continue higher again on the swing side? That would be this level, guys. 994. That will be a swing breakout structure to the upside. Otherwise, if it rejects at 977 at that trend line at 20 days and 200 hours moving average, and it starts to lose the steam and loses one of the critical structural level, which as price action will develop, I'll talk in the videos, then for me, it's a continuation to the downside play, and this may flush. And if this loses 856, that's a flush down to 690. So that's another potential play that I'm keeping an eye on. But right now, as for intraday levels, SMCI is looking bullish. Okay. Well, guys, that's it. Easy peasy for SMCI. If you need access to my tools, links on the description below. I did a video on NVIDIA this morning. Check that out, but I'll be doing another video later today, so check that out as well. So, and actually I will be doing one more video on tech stocks as well, especially Apple. I just want to show you a glimpse of that. Look at this thing, just straight up went up, right? So it broke some structures to the upside, right? Yeah, this is bullish, but I'll talk about this in another video. Hopefully I'll get time for it and I'll talk about it there. So guys, that's it for this video for SMCI. Again, found it helpful, valuable. If you did, so hit the like, subscribe. All right, bye.